What's up, Willow Monkeys? Welcome back to the channel. Breaking news, hot off the presses, Unify FCU is starting to offer a pre-qualification. Yes, that's right. I have no clue how long this has been out, but we just got word from a couple people that are members, and you can see in front of you that there's a pre-qualification that is now unlocked. So I'll have the link underneath the video in the description, but essentially you'll be able to pre-qualify for this. So it gets into a requested amount as well, which I think is interesting because what that tells me is that if you request 10,000 and they can't fulfill that, then they're gonna do their best or tell you what their best offer is. Yeah, I like that. And it gives you the rest of the bit there, and then you can pre-qualify. So let's quickly talk membership. We haven't done a dedicated video on Unify. I really just wanted to tell you about the pre-qualification, but let's tell you about some of the other goods. So they hard pull Experian for all their credit offers. The soft pull is obviously a soft pull. To join and do membership, obviously they're gonna pull check systems. That's like kind of standard with credit unions. And then they're gonna soft pull your Experian as well. That's the only data points that I've got so far. In terms of joining, if you just come over to the Unify membership page, then these are the 4 ways that you can join. If we take that a step further and drill down, you can see that if you're looking for a backdoor way in, then it would be Friends of Hobbs State Park. So you can contribute to them, kind of like what we do with American Consumer Council and similar things like that. That's the ways in, pretty straightforward. There's several members that have been involved and members since like 2021, 2022, and so on and so forth. And so this is a solid option if you're looking for another credit union play, and now they're offering a pre-qual. Okay, that's it. If I have any additional information that comes up between now and processing the video, we'll insert it here. Otherwise, I'd love to hear your thoughts and your data points in the comments below so that we can kind of build this out. And obviously we've got a dedicated video coming out on this soon to deep dive it, but there you have it. If you want to get in on this now, yeah, they're not geo restricted in any kind of way, and you should be open to go ahead and pre-approve yourself and go from there. Lastly, let me insert, here is what a pre-qualification looks like. This is not from our community, this was dug up somewhere else. We're excited to extend you a pre-qualified offer of 15.9% APR, pretty good APR, limit of 10,000. You just got to select the apply now button and then move forward. And again, that would be a hard pull at that point when they do pull application. I've heard from several sources that they do attempt to reach out to every person or every applicant to expect to have some sort of back and forth with an underwriter and possibly some documentation going back and forth. So again, I don't think this is like a, slide your way in, super simple, easy credit union by any standards, but I do like that they've got a pre-approval now. So anyways, data points in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Hey, you should subscribe. 60% of you are not subscribed yet, right there. Okay, bye.